The next 10 years of tech careers, a realistic forecast, not one trend, but convergence. The next decade in tech won't be defined by a single trend. It will be defined by convergence. The big three foundations: AI will integrate into every enterprise system. Cloud will remain foundational infrastructure. Data will drive decision-making across industries. The biggest shift: hybrid roles. The future belongs to hybrid technologists. How roles will evolve: pure developers, system designers, data engineers, AI workflow integrators, security professionals, AI risk managers. Careers will become interconnected. Tech careers will be less siloed and more interconnected. Responsibility is expanding. Responsibility will grow. Tool familiarity will matter less than system literacy. The winning skill combination: professionals who succeed will combine technical depth, business awareness, adaptability, cross-domain understanding. What the future will not reward: the future will not reward trend chasers. What the future will reward: it will reward those who build strong foundations and adapt strategically. Tech is integrating, not shrinking. Tech is not shrinking. It's becoming more integrated. The decade belongs to system thinkers. Integration creates opportunity for those prepared to operate across boundaries.